Hi friends, so very good morning from Nairobi, Kenya. Hope you all doing good. So thank you so much for all your like, share, and subscriptions to my beautiful new channel. Hope you all doing good. So I thought this morning let me do a small home tour in the house I'm staying in Nairobi in Kenya. So it's you're gonna enjoy it. If you like it, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Hope you're doing well. Okay, I'll start from here. This is the entrance. The curtain, once you open the curtain, there's a transparent door or the gate. That's the entrance. So I'll just put it on. As soon as you walk in this way, once you open the door and walk in this way, there's a kitchen here. See, there's a basin, there's a nice stove, there's utensils, there's cupboards up and down. There's also a oven actually, which is pretty good. So that's the kitchen from this way. That's the entrance, and there's a small tiny kitchen where you can use. Looks pretty cool, quite. And here there's a door. This is the toilet door. And when I walk in this way, that's the entrance, guys. There's a cylinder, gas, water station, a bin. There's also a laundry system, which is washing machine. It looks pretty good. Next to the washing machine, there is a refrigerator. Yeah, so on top of it I put some muffin. I love muffin, and there's also eggs. Wow, I like both of them. There's a water filter here. There's no water, but you need to buy the water, but there's a water filter where you can use. And there's a television. Yeah, there's a television. There's a YouTube channel on there's a YouTube. There is the Netflix, and well, yeah, we can just watch the TV if you want to. Right now I'm watching some music. Just put some music on. It's just not really watching, but just put some music on. Looks good. And there is a mirror. That's me. What do you hear? That's me. What do you see? There's Wi-Fi here. There's also a cupboard on this side. Once you open this, there's some sheets. There's a big cupboard actually. Yeah. So I'll close this one. This is what it looks like. And there's a curtain here, and here is the bedroom. That's a nice big bed for me. Let me show you this view. That's a bed, and here there's a cupboard. You can put your things, and there is a sofa where you can just relax, sit down. And from here, if you see, guys, it's a beautiful lighting, guys. If you see this, wow, looks pretty good. Probably at night time. This is during the day, so probably at night time it's gonna be really beautiful with this lighting. So that's a view. Here there's a small table where you can just relax. It's a chair. You can just sit down, have your meal, or do your work. So from here, that's a view. If you see, guys, that's actually is a complete room. From here, that's actually is a complete room. Looks small, cute, tiny, and beautiful. Also, you see the TV, washing machine, fridge, the bed. Bed is actually big. It's pretty good for me. It's pretty nice, comfy. Yeah, that's the bed. I need to organize the sheets. That's the bed, and yeah, from here, look at this way, that's this one, that's a kitchen. So this is a studio room that looks pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're all doing good. One more time, please, if you like it, please give a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.